श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे सुतसिद्धं शुद्धस्फटिकमणिभूभृत्प्रतिभटं सुधासद्रीचे विद्युदिभिरवदादत्रिभुवनम् अनन्तैस्त्रय्यन्तैरनुविहितहेषाहलहलम् शेषाबद्यं हयवदनमीडीमहिमः विशुद्धविज्ञानघनस्वरूपम् विज्ञानविश्राणबद्धदीक्षं दयानिधिं देहभृतां शरण्यं देवं हयग्रीवमहं प्रपद्ये दिशन्तु मे देव सदा त्वदीयाः दयातरङ्गाणचराकटाक्षाः श्रोत्रेषु पुंसामृतं क्षरन्तीं सरस्वतीं संसदकामधेनुं विशेषवित्पार्थदेषु नाथ विदग्धगोष्ठी समराङ्गणेषु जिगीषतो मे कपितार्केन्द्रान् भोग्रसिंहासनमभ्युपेयाः व्याख्यामुद्रां करसरसिजै पुस्तकं शङ्खचक्रे बिभ्रद्भिन्नस्फटिकरुचिरे पुण्डरीके निषण्णः अम्लानश्रेरमधुषधैर्ंशविप्लावयन्माम् आविर्भूयाधनगमयिमा मानसे वागधीशः। Today we are going to see further vowel consonants. Then we will have reading practice. Last time the reading practice was slightly interrupted. Now I am going to teach you the vowel consonants.
All consonants.
Both. Vowel consonants. It means vowels plus consonants or consonants plus vowel. Now we are going to see the vowel consonants. Vowel consonants are nothing but the consonants plus vowel. Means
video varudha adiyan
video on pannirken
adiyan varudha video varudha
enak varala
அந்த
தெரியுதா
ரைட் சைடுல மட்டும் ஒரு கிளார் இருக்கு அந்த சமஸ்கிருதம்னு இருக்கிற இடத்துல ஆனா பரவாயில்ல அங்க ஐ திங்க் எழுத மாட்டேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் ஐ திங்க் இட்ஸ் ஓகே
அங்க எழுத இப்போ வந்துருச்சு
கொஞ்சம் கீழ வைக்கலாம் அடியன் ஓகே யா
இல்ல அது வந்து சரி now it's clear
okay
we all know what is vowel. We all know vowels. Let me write what is vowel. Just I am writing. See this. Okay. E. E. U. U. R. R. L. Okay. Then can you see below? Yeah, you can see A, I, O, ow, okay, ah. These are the 15 vowels. Now what we are going to learn, we are going to join the 36 consonants and this. Okay? We are going to join all the vowels with 36 consonants. Why we have to join? Because we need multiple number of alphabets. We have vowels and consonants. Vowels are 15, consonants are 36. Now we require joint letters. What are the types of joint letters available? Number one is consonants plus vowels. It means they are called vowel consonants. Another one is there, consonants plus consonants. Consonants plus consonants. This is called conjunct consonants. What is called conjunct consonants. Now I am going to teach you vowel consonants. Today that is our target. Okay. So when these vowels join with consonants, how they will join? Because it is an individual letter. Okay. Consonants also individual letters. How can we write? So there is a formula in this. Those who know Hindi, they might have learned it. Those who don't know, for them I am teaching slowly. Okay. See, this is ka. For example, I am taking ka. I am writing here on the left side of the board. That is right side of the board. My left side, right side of the board. See here. Okay. I have written ka. What is this first? This is, I taught you as consonants. But grammatically, this is not a consonant. This is vowel consonant. Do you understand? Then what is consonant? What is consonant? What is vowel consonant? This is ka. That is what I have taught you. But ka, is there no? You understand the pronunciation? Ka. We said k or ka. We said a. So what happened? In this letter, a is hidden. In this letter, a is also there. This is grammar. Clear? So this is vowel consonant. So what is right now? This is consonant or vowel consonant? Yes, this is vowel consonant. Then what is consonant? Sorry. Then what is consonant? Okay. So nothing but one small stroke you put below. Okay. Okay. They used to say in Hindi, halant, halant, halant. Okay. Halant is very important in Sanskritam. In Sanskrit language, halantam is very much important. It will come very often. Hindi, it is not much used in Hindi. Now it is original consonants. After using this stroke, which is called, we also use it as halant. Okay? Which is called halant. We use it as halantam. Okay? K. Now it is called k. Now it is real consonants. As per grammar, now only this is real consonants. One more I will teach you. This is ma. What is it called? Ma. When we say ma, what you should understand? Ma, is also there. So this is consonant or vowel consonant? Yes, this is vowel consonant. It is not a consonant. So to remove a from this, what we should do? One stroke. We have to use one stroke here. So what we should understand now? A is not there in this. So how should we pronounce this? Mo, 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 not ma. Okay? M, m. This is k. This is m. Okay, clear? One more. Shall I teach you one more? Na. Okay, na. Ta, the, na. This na. This is na. This is na. This is a consonant or vowel consonant? Yes, this is a vowel consonant, not consonant. Okay? Now I am using this halantam here. Now it is a consonant or vowel consonant. Now it is a consonant. Now we can, hereafter we can add all these vowels with this. What shall we do? Now we can add all these vowels one by one with the consonants. Understood the difference between consonant and vowel consonant? When we use the stroke below the consonants, they are consonants now. They are not vowel consonants. If this stroke is not there, this is vowel consonants. When we say ka, ma, pa, cha, ta, they are vowel consonants. Ku, chu, tu, pa, ma, na, ga. These are all real consonants. Understood the difference? That is Sanskrita Vyakarana. Any language, it has, in every language, this is the condition. Okay? Now we move on to strokes. What is the stroke of? How it will join with this? How it will join with this? How it will join with this? Nothing but when a is there or any vowel is coming, any vowel is joining with this, first this will go out. Okay? This will go out. So now what happened? Now a joined. A is very simple. There is no stroke at all. If a is there, this stroke will not be there. Okay? So we remove. Now it is ka. Right? Ka. Now a, I, u, r, l. A, I, O, au, aha. Now I will clear you. And aha. Nothing but these two dots and this dot will come with any vowel, any consonant. It will come with consonant also. Okay? When it is joining with consonants, it will join with a vowel, whether it is come. If it is kim, im, ka plus im, kim. Kam, ka plus kam. Kum, ka plus kum. So these two will not join directly with the consonants. They will join only with a vowel. Now we move on to let me erase all these vowels what I have written. First, in the first board, now I am going to write here. I am going to teach you up to L. First slot up to L. I am writing K. K plus A. K plus A. So now what I said, there is no stroke for separate stroke for A. So what do? We write K without this stroke. Now this is vowel consonant. This is consonant and this is vowel consonant. Always you should understand consonant without a stroke is a vowel consonant. In that, a is available. Always you should understand and keep in the mind that is the difference between Hindi and Sanskrit. Okay, so Hindi has come from Sanskrit. Now, move on to next. Ka plus what is next to a? A is the next letter. So what is the stroke here? Nothing but ka. Okay, you will also write along with me. Okay, you will also write. I think you can see the board. You will also write with me. What I write on the board, you will write the same. Okay, you will copy in your notebook. Just a minute. Okay, now what is this? Ka? Not ka, because the stroke is there. K plus I have written ka. So when you have to join any vowel, first what you should do? First you have to remove the stroke. Then what is the stroke for a? What is next to? What is extra in a? That we are going to write. So now it is ka. Okay, ka. Next, any other letter? Cha. Okay, ma. Ka. Cha. Ma. See the stroke is one more standing line. That is a. Now we move on to third letter E. K plus E. K plus E. Now what do? We write K as usual. I'm writing this full. Okay. Now what is E? See here. Before K, see A is after Ka. We use your standing line. But here, before Ka, we have to use your standing line and join these two. See here, before Ka, the standing line, then join these two. This is Chi. Same way, Chi. Cha, then the standing line before Cha and join these two. Same way, Ma. Okay, a standing line before this and join these two. Write this quickly, copy this in your notebook. Okay, shall I move on to fourth letter? Fourth letter. What is fourth letter after E? E. K plus E. K plus E. How to say? Not E. E means short vowel. E. Long vowel. Okay? Again I am writing Ka. Okay? Cha. Ma. Ka, cha, ma. I'm going to write one more stroke with this to indicate E is here. E, E, A. What is A? After the consonants, there is a stroke, standing line, one supportive line. Okay, that is A. E. Before the letter, one standing line and one stroke which is connecting this standing line and the consonant. Now we move on to E. What is E? Same one, but it will come after the letter. After Ka, one standing line, and connect these two. That's all. Ki. 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 How ki? After the consonant, there is a line, and we have to connect both. Okay? Write it quickly. Chi. Outright chi. After cha, there's a standing line, and connect these two. Ma. After ma, one standing line, connect these two. Okay? See this. Ki, chi, mi. Now we move on to next one. Write it quickly. No one should leave it. All should write. Okay? Next. Number 5. Hope you have returned. Number 5. What is next? A, E. What is next? U. Okay? K plus U. U. Short vowel. Okay? What do we do as usual? We write Ka here. We write Ka, Cha, Ma. Okay? Ka, Cha, Ma. Okay? Now, U. What is the stroke of U? Okay? See here. Below Ka, okay? Below Ka, ulta C. Okay? C. You write A, B, C, no? You write it ulta. C. That is the stroke of U. Same way, Cha, below Cha, ulta C. Right? Same way, Ma, below Ma, ulta C. This is Ku, Chu, Mu. Write it, all of you. Shall we go to next letter, number 6. A, E, U. After U, U. Ka plus stroke plus U. U. What is written here? U. Same stroke we are going to use here. Ka, Cha, Ma. What do we do now? This stroke, okay? We are using it. See how it is? A small circle and straight line. Same way, now it is Ku. Now it is Ku. Sorry. Chu. Just one stroke, okay? Mu. See here. Ku, Chu, Mu. Okay? Copy all these things. I'm going to clean this. Ka plus U becomes Ku, Chu, Mu. Ka, Ki, Ku, Cha, Chi, Chu. Chu. Ma. Ma. Mi. Mi. Mu. Mu. Okay. Now, have you copied? Hope you all have copied. So I'm moving to the next vowels, further vowels. Shall I clean the board? I'm cleaning. Hope you all have copied.
Aryan, should be okay.
Tiger.
பரவாயில்ல okay.
Okay. Yeah. There are videos. I will share the video. Yeah.
சரி.
They have video of vowel consonants.
Sure, Aryan.
Okay. Now, furthermore, more letters. We have completed a, e, u, 6 letters. How many are remaining now? 9 more are remaining. Okay. Now again I am starting with. I am again starting with k, 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 k. Now this is k. Okay. Let me make it bigger. K plus u, after u, what is there? Special r, l. These three we are going to see now. K plus r. K plus r becomes ka. Okay, ka. What we are going to do, you know? You wrote ku, you wrote, no? Now, looking like ku, but not ku. See, what we did for ku, we put ulta c. Now we are going to write c here. Okay? C here. Kr. What is this called? Kr. Kripa. You say no? Kripa. Bhagavat Kripa. Acharya Kripa. You say no? Kr. Kr. Same way. Cha. Cha. Chil. Okay? C. English C. The stroke is like English C. Ma. We are continuing same. Ka, cha, ma. Okay? Mr. See the stroke. Stroke is very easy. Hope you all have returned. Now, 8th letter. 8th letter. What is this? K plus r. Now k. I am again writing k. K plus r. Long vowel. Okay? R. What we do? Write this and one more stroke. Now k, cha, ma. We wrote this now. One C, we make it double C. See here, double C. Not one C, one by one, 2 C's. Okay, I'll write bigger size. K, one C, one more C. So this is the way you have to write. Kr. What is this called? Kr. Then chr, chr, mr, mr. They are used rarely. Okay, very rare. But still these letters are available. Okay. Next, number 9. What is 9? R, r, l. Okay, l. K plus l. This is very rare to use. 1 or 2 words available, not more than that. But still available. Okay, clear. What to do? There is no stroke separately for this. K. We have written K. This L to be written below. That's all. Okay. So L, same L to be written below. Clear. That's all. Same way. Only Pliptam. There is a word called Pliptam. More than this, it's Plutam. That is Plutam. Yeah. Plutam. Plutam. There are 2-3 words. That's all. Not more than that. Next. Chil. Cha. Then L. Below that, L to be returned. Ma. L. That's all. Simple. Finished. Clear? Kr. What do we do? Below K, we use the stroke like C, English C, A, B, C. Okay? What is the difference between U and IR? Ulta of this is U. Okay? If you write C ulta, that is U. If you write C in the proper way, that is Kr. Double stroke, one by one. One by one, double stroke is Kr. Then this is Kl. Not Kl. Kl. Short vowel. This is also short vowel, this is also short vowel. This is long vowel. Okay? Kl. Then Chr. Chr. Chl. Mr. Mr. Ml. Okay? Shall we go further? Shall we go further? We are going further. Number 10. Hope you all have written. K plus what is next? A, I, U, R, L. What is next? A, not A. Okay? A. This A, I, O, out will come very often in slokas. Okay? A. I have written Ka, Cha, Ma. Okay? These 4 will look similar, but also you should not get confused. Okay? These 4 letters, slight variation only, slight difference. So what is K? One stroke above K. See here, what is the stroke there? What is the stroke here? See. Then Cha. Above Cha, one stroke like this. Above Ma, one stroke like this. Me, K, Che, Me. These are all A stroke. Okay, these are all A stroke. Now 11. Hope you have written. Write it fast otherwise. Next is A over now. Next is I. K plus I. Oh, see this stroke here? This stroke looks like I. No. What is now? K, Ka. Kai. You are going right? Kai. K plus I becomes Kai. Okay. Ka. What do we do? K. What is K? Ka and then one stroke. Same way we are going to write one stroke. Then what is the difference between A and I? So what do we do? Write one more. That's all. One more. So 2. One stroke is A. 2 strokes are I. So that's the difference between A and I. K. Kai. Write it fast. Next is Che. Chai. I'm writing Chai. my, my. Okay, kai, chai, my. Next letter is k plus. Hope you are writing in your notebook. You are not missing anything. K plus. What is next? O. Yes. O. Not O. Okay. We don't have O. In Tamil, O available. But whereas in Sanskritam, there is no O. Only O. Okay. K plus O. Ka. I am writing ka. Cha. Ma. I have written ka, cha, ma as usual. Now what do we do? What is here? What is here? Write it. That's all. One stove, then O matra. That's it. See here. What is here? After A, what is there? Same you write becomes O. That's all. Simple. Very simple it is. Same way cha. After cha, one standing line, then the stroke. Okay. After ma, one standing line, then the stroke. What is here? Same you are writing there. Okay. Write it fast. Write it fast. Hope you all have written. Yeah. Now, k plus ow. K plus ow. So what is it called? Cows. Okay. What is cow in English? Cow means Pashumadu. Okay. Now it is cow. How to write cow? As usual, we write ka, cha, ma. Okay. What is the stroke here after a? Right there. That's all. Ow. Cow. One standing line. One stroke becomes O. Two stroke becomes O. Slight difference. That's all. After cha, one standing line. One stroke is O. Double strokes are O. Okay. Mau. Ma plus O. One standing line. Then one stroke, another stroke. Mau. So, cow, chow, mau. Right? Now what are left? Can you guess? What are left? Two strokes are left now. Okay? There is nothing but what is there? Come. What is come? 14. I'll write on the top. Hope you know this. You have copied all these things. So I will clean this. So now 14. 14. K plus Then 15. I write 15 also. K plus aha. K plus becomes, I write as usual, K. Then cha, I write cha. There also cha. Then ma. Now, what is the stroke here? Same, we are going to use kam. Kaha, two dot. What is here? Two dot. Same two dot we are going to write here. What is here? That dot. Okay, that we are going to write here. Kam, kaha, cham, chaha, mam, maha. Clear? Copy this quickly. Hope you have copied. Now I am going to clear this. I will write all the vowel consonants in one table, okay, on the board. Only kaka, ka, ka, ki, okay, ka, okay, ka. What is ka? This tone. Ki. Ki. Okay, ki. Ki. Ka. Then the stroke. Ki. Then ku. Ka. Then the stroke. What is that? Ulta. Si. Ku. I'm writing again. Ka. Ku. 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 Then ka. Okay. Kru. See ulta of this. Ulta C, proper C. Right? See here. Then kru. After kru, what is that? Kru. So one stroke. Kru. One more stroke is kru. Okay. Kru. Ka. Ka. Ki. Ki. See the difference. If it is written front, it is E. If it is written after the consonant, it is E. Ku. U. Just U stroke. Ku. Kr. Kr. Kl. What is kl? Ka. And then that l to be written below. That's all. Kl. It is used only in few areas. Okay, but still it is a letter. We have to give weightage for that and we have to give respect. Then, after kl, ye, no? Ka, ye, ke, ye, one stroke. Ka, double stroke, I. Ka, then one standing line, then one stroke. See, what is the difference between K and Ko? See the difference? Okay? K, the stroke is above the consonants. Ko is Ka plus one standing line. The stroke will be above the standing line. Okay? Now, cow. Ka, standing line, then the two strokes. That's the difference between Kai and cow. Kai, above the consonants. Cow is Ka, standing line, then the two strokes are above the consonants. Clear? Then the last two letters. Kam. Kaha. Clear? They are consonant, vowel consonants. These strokes will join with any consonant. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Cha, cha, ga, jha, nya. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Pa, ha, ba, bha, ma. Ya, ra, la, va. Sha, sha, sa, ha. La, sha, nya. These 15 strokes will join with any 36 consonants. So now how many vowel consonants are there? 36 into 15. So many vowel consonants are there. So today the lesson is over. Any doubt you can ask me. I will send you the video. You can ask me. Okay, I will send you the video and also words for reading practice. Tomorrow we have reading, word reading. Okay? Yeah. Any doubt? Swami, question and session can be started.
அப்படியே சரி. இந்த செஷன் எப்படி ரெக்கார்ட் பண்றது அதையும் இது பண்றோம். நீங்க யூடியூப் வீடியோ அனுப்புங்க. that also we will share so they can go through both.
Yeah, that I will send you. I'll send you the YouTube channel. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll just enable the Q&A. யாருக்கெல்லாம் whoever has a doubt, please press on the Q&A and ask Swami whatever your questions you have.
அடியேன் தீப்தி பேசுறேன். இந்த மார்ச் இந்த ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்ட்ரோக் இதுவும் அதேதான் எல்லா லெட்டர்ஸ்க்கும் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா? அது ராக்கு மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் வேற மாதிரி இருக்கும்ல?
எதுக்கு?
ராக்கு ஊ அப்புறம் ஊ அது ரெண்டும் வேற மாதிரி இருக்கும்ல?
ஆமா ஆமா ஸ்லைட்டா மாறும். ஹாக்கு மாறும். ஹாக்கும் ஸ்லைட்டா மாறும். மற்றபடி ஸ்ட்ரோக்ஸ் மாறாது, அதே ஸ்ட்ரோக் தான்.
ஓகே சரி சார்.
ஸ்ட்ரோக்ஸ்ல எந்த வித்தியாசமும் இல்லை.
ஓகே சரி சார். धन्यवाद.
ஓகே धन्यवाद.
அடியே விஜயஸ்ரீ சுதர்ஷனா, இந்த vowel and consonantsல pronunciationல what's the difference between the 7th and 8th one? அது pronunciationல என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்கும்?
ஒரு pronunciation எல்லாமே என்ன ஆகும்? எல்லா ப்ரொனன்சியேஷன் vowel கான்சனன்ட்ஸ்மே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கான்சனன்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் vowel. அது அப்படிதான் ப்ரொனன்சியேஷனே வரும். க க அ ஆ இ சொல்றாங்க இல்லையா? அ ஆ இ பல க க க க கி கி கு கு க்ரு க்ரு க்ளு. இப்போ vowel போகவே போகாது. vowel இருக்கும். vowelோட ப்ரொனன்சியேஷன் ஃபுல்லாவே இருக்கும். கே கை கோ கௌ கம் கஹ. the pronunciation will not go. அது என்ன கூட கான்சனன்ட்ஸ் சேர்ந்து வரும், அவ்வளவுதான்.
ஓகே அடியன்
சுவாமி அடியன் சுவாமி ஜெயஸ்ரீ சுதர்ஷனா, இந்த
ஆதித்யா
ல் பிளஸ் ல் சேர்த்தா ல் அந்த vowel ல் தானே சுவாமி வரும்?
ய ர ல வ. ய ர ல வ. சாரி, ய ர ல. இது மூணுத்துக்கும் எல்லாருமே இதை கேட்டுங்க. ய ர ல இந்த மூணு அக்ஷரத்துக்கும் ரு ரு லு கிடையாது. புரிஞ்சுங்களா? ய ர ல இந்த மூணு அக்ஷரத்துக்கும் ரு ரு லு இந்த மூணு காம்பினேஷனும் கிடையாது. வாக்குண்டு விருஷப விருகோதர, ஓகே, விருத்ராசுர. ஸோ வாக்குண்டு எக்ஸப்ட் ய ர ல. ஓகேவா? இப்ப க கத்து கொடுத்தாங்கல்ல, அதே மாதிரி ய ர ல இது மூணுத்துக்கும் ரு ரு லு இந்த மூணு காம்பினேஷன் கிடையாது. வேற?
ஓகே சார்.
தன்யவாத்.
அடியன் அவ்வளவுதான். क्वेश्चंस வேற எதுவும் இல்ல அடியன்.
धन्यवादः. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. सर्वस्परतु दुर्गाणि, सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु, सर्वकामानवाप्नोतु, सर्वत्र नन्दतु. ओम शांति शांति शांति. धन्यवादः.